Okay, this is an update video of this clock. I fixed it about 24 hours ago and then reset it and hung it up right here. I only hung it up with the top screw. There's another one on the bottom here. Probably can't see, but it's right there. So when you open it, because when you release the little latch over here, you open it. Right now it'll just shift over. That you have to open the back to start it and set it. I oiled the movement. I didn't clean it. I did put a little grease on the fiber wheel when I first got it, along with the new cord. Yesterday I adjusted the poles in the motor. I found a picture of another one of these, another Seth Thomas old clock with the same movement in it. And basically all I did was I adjusted the poles so they matched what was in that picture, because that one worked fine and it's been running fine for 24 hours. I guess the magnetic fields, I don't know if it's the same thing, but the eddy currents or the magnetic flux, I don't know which one's the correct term to use. I guess that was not right. Yeah, I'll make another update video on this again, probably in a little while though, once I clean it up. I do plan on cleaning it up a bit, but it's been running for just about 24 hours. It has not stopped. It's dead accurate, and it's running a lot quieter now too. So, you can hear only a slight hum now. Yeah, thanks for watching.